Begin each day with a conscious choice to think positively. As you wake, before your feet touch the floor, take a moment to set positive intentions for the day. Imagine your day unfolding in the most beautiful, harmonious way possible. Feel the joy, the peace, the sense of accomplishment that comes with a day well lived. Throughout your day, be mindful of your thoughts. When you catch yourself slipping into negative thinking patterns, gently but firmly redirect your focus to what you really want to experience. Use your imagination to create vivid scenes of your desires fulfilled. Feel the naturalness, the reality of these scenes. And as you retire for the night, take a moment to reflect on your day. Acknowledge the moments when you maintain your positive thinking and the positive effects this had on your experiences. If there were moments when you lost your positive focus, simply observe this without judgment and set the intention to return to positive thinking the next day. Remember, my friends, this practice of positive thinking is not a burden or a chore. It is the most natural, most fulfilling way to live. It is your birthright as a divine being. As you consistently maintain this positive focus, especially during tough times, you will find that life becomes more joyful, more peaceful, more abundant in every way. You will begin to notice changes in every aspect of your life. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable will appear as opportunities for growth. Relations will improve, opportunities will appear, and you'll find yourself navigating through life with greater ease and grace. These changes may be subtle at first, a shift in your mood, a new inside inspiration, a harmonious interaction where there was once conflict. Acknowledge these changes, no matter how small, with gratitude, for they are the first fruits of your positive thinking, the early manifestations of your alignment with your true nature. And as you notice these changes, let them fuel your commitment to positive thinking. Let them strengthen your conviction in the power of your thoughts to shape your reality. For this is the law of your being. What you consistently think and feel must objectify itself in your world. But remember, the greatest change, the most profound transformation will occur within you. As you consistently choose positive thinking, especially during tough times, you are reconditioning your entire being. You are literally rewiring your brain, recalibrating your energy, and deepening your connection to your divine nature. You will find yourself naturally thinking more positively, feeling more optimistic and resilient, acting more in alignment with your highest self. You will find yourself naturally attracted to people, experiences, and opportunities that support your positive state of being. You will find yourself making decisions from a place of inner wisdom and love, rather than from fear or external pressure. This inner transformation is the real miracle of positive thinking during tough times. For as you transform your inner world, as you step into the truth of your divine nature, your entire outer world must reshape itself to match this new inner reality. So, my dear friends, I challenge you to embark on this journey of transformation. Commit to positive thinking, especially during tough times, consistently, passionately, faithfully. Make it the central practice of your life. Write about it in your journal. Speak about it with like-minded friends. Feel its truth in every fiber of your being. And as you do, watch in awe as your life transforms. Watch as inner peace becomes your natural state, as resilience flows through you effortlessly, as wisdom guides your every decision. Watch as you step into the fullness of your divine nature, recognizing yourself as the powerful creator you truly are. For you are a divine being expressing yourself through the miracle of human form. You are the author of your life story. You are the architect of your reality. Embrace this truth, live from it, and watch as miracles unfold in your life, even in the toughest of times. Go forth, my dear friends, with this knowledge. Use it wisely, use it lovingly. Use it to create a life that reflects your highest vision, regardless of outer circumstances. For in doing so, you are not only transforming your own life, but you are contributing to the elevation of all humanity. You are showing others what is possible when we choose positive thinking, especially during tough times. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. As you maintain positive thinking, Especially during challenging times, you are aligning with the creative power of the universe. You are stepping into your role as a conscious creator, shaping your reality according to your highest vision, regardless of outer circumstances. You are powerful beyond measure. You are divine. You are a being of infinite potential. Now go and create the life of your dreams, even in the face of challenges. For it is your birthright, it is your nature, it is who you truly are. Thank you, and may your positive thinking guide you through even the toughest of times, leading you to the fulfillment of your highest potential.